guys, good morning. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now and turn the notification bell on so you can be notified when I post my next video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you my loves for returning to my channel today. Okay, alright guys, so today I'm gonna take you guys into a day in my life. I have a few things to do for the day. I'm actually getting ready for work right now, guys. I woke up a little bit late today. I think I have work at 8 a.m. and I woke up at like 7:40 a.m. I don't even know how the hell that happened. My alarm went off and I pressed it off and just went back to bed. I don't even know how the hell I allowed that to happen, but we are humans, it happens. Guys, I don't know, I'm not really feeling the new year so far. Like, guys, like 2022 was one of the worst year of my life. So many horrible things happened to me, but I made it out alive, and I'm in the new year. I'm grateful, and I'm really thankful for being able to, make it into another year and stuff. So, but yeah, guys, right now I'm actually just getting ready to go to work right now. I washed my face, brushed my teeth, and had a shower. I'm about to get my hair together. I've had my hair in this hairstyle for like probably the past 1 week now. I feel like it's so simple, it's cute, it's elegant and different. I'm just over wigs. I'm tired of wigs by now. I don't know if I'm the only one feeling that way right now. I'm just so tired of wigs, so I just decided to just wear my natural hair for a little bit. Guys, something is, I don't know, but I feel like I look so gracious. Y'all see how beautiful I look with this natural hair? Oh my god, I am a queen. I am here. I am living for this hairstyle. Okay? Now I am getting ready for work, putting my clothes on. I decided to put something simple on, just a regular long sleeve top and tights. Put some cologne on, and then now, guys, this is actually me putting my stuff together for the gym. I decided to go back to the gym now. I haven't been to the gym in probably like 4 months. I'm so disappointed in myself, but it's okay. It's all right. So I'm putting my stuff together now so I don't have to come back home after I'm done with work. So I just leave straight from work and go straight to the gym. And then, guys, as y'all can see here, y'all know that I'm not a morning person, so I don't really eat heavy breakfast. So I usually just bring something light to work and just have it for breakfast there. Today I decided to go with my watermelon. I chopped up some watermelon and just put it in a container and take it to work with me. Ini bisa jadi siapa saja, namun tak kusangka malah kau yang hadir. Jika memang benar ini yang terjadi, carilah saya. Okay, so I'm all done and ready to go to work right now. I'm about to leave my apartment. Guys, I came out my apartment door and see these guys on top here. These are some electrical people. Man, they scared the shit life out of me. Oh my god, like I was like, who the hell are these people? Anyways, guys, I went outside. As you can see, it's still morning time, so it's still a little bit dark outside, and it's snowing a little bit out there as well. So this is just me driving to work. My work is only 5 minutes away from where I live, so it's probably even 2 minutes from where I live. It's pretty close, so I'm not too far away. Please tell me, babe, I need the answer. So I arrived to work and now I'm checking my calendar and also all my appointments to make sure I have everything ready and set for when my clients get here or when I need to go to their house or to go check on them wherever destination that they are at. Right now it's my breakfast time. I'm just jamming to some music and just eating my watermelon. I think it's approximately 10:30 or 10:45. I don't usually eat early. Even though I go to work early, I don't eat until sometimes 11 a.m. because I don't know, I can't really consume food early. So I'm just relaxing in my office right now and jamming to some music until it's time for me to go see my clients. Ooh, la, la, la. Ooh, la, la, la. Ooh, la, la. guys, so I'm still a little bit hoarse, guys, as you can hear. So right now it's my lunchtime. I'm about to go buy something to eat. I don't know what I want outside or what I want yet. I'm gonna go find something to eat right now. And I also need to meet with a government person for some things I'm having, so they can help me with some stuff. So I'm gonna go do both of those and then come back. On my money, make you dance like broccoli, steady clean like broccoli. Guys, I'm back. I'm about to have my lunch now. I have a few appointments after my lunch break, so I have to make sure I eat a little bit fast. So my lunch break right now, I'm about to just watch a movie on my phone because I forgot my laptop. Oh my god. Today I'm having the jalapeno spicy chicken bowl from Tim Hortons. Tastes so good with chipotle sauce on top and veggies and guys, I'm all done with work, so I'm about to head to the gym right now. I'm actually just getting back in the gym, guys. I've been out of the gym for like a few months. Oh my goodness, I'm so disappointed in myself. But like this year, no. You see, I hate when this happens, you know. Anyways, I'm about to head in the gym right now, guys, and change my clothes and get ready. So I'm in the gym just cleaning off my mat to start working out. I have to make sure I clean my mat because one time I got literal fungus because I never used to clean the equipment when I use them at the gym. So I have to make sure I do it this time around. Now, today was supposed to be my abs and legs day, so that's what I'll be doing throughout this time.
So I mean, I give him a go, free, I'm in the light. Jano say my passion ignited. Got the music me excited. Coming like a boss. Blessings all for my life and my time start for the journey, the earnings, the dust for the flock.
So I'm done working out now, guys. Usually when I'm done working out, the last thing I'll do is to like walk on a treadmill or do some kind of cardio just to help me with endurance for the next time when I come to the gym.
My time start for the journey, the earnings, the dust for the flocks. Gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall by my right hand. Was I goes for the friends that take off every load. One time did sit down in a class and report. Then only said the road and me go on with the road.
Hey guys, so got back from the gym. I'm about to go take a shower now because I'm gonna make some dinner. I don't even know what I want to make yet, but we'll see. So yeah, I'm about to go shower, and then I'll talk to you guys when I'm done. So I'm done showering. I look so fresh, brand new, and put together. Okay. Now, guys, I'm actually putting on I'm putting on the Ordinary peeling solution just to exfoliate my face tonight because I haven't exfoliated my face in about a week. So I think it's about time to get rid of those dead skin cells off my face. So you apply this on your face and leave it for like 10 minutes and then wash it off after when you're done. As y'all can see, that's what it's looking like after I applied it, and then I just rinsed it off now. And after, I'll apply my face moisturizer and like anything I need to apply on my face during the night. Tonight I just decided to just add my face moisturizer and that's it. Like, can you see that pure skin? Okay. Now tonight y'all can see here that I'm about to go make dinner right now. So I am washing the dishes because I didn't get the chance to wash them before I went to work, and that's okay. Life happens and stuff. So I'm washing them right now. It was just probably like 3 dishes in like one pot, and that was it. I'm just washing my dishes now. Today I decided to make some baked chicken in my air fryer, so that's what I'm about to do right now. So now guys, I'm greasing my air fryer with my spray oil here and just adding my chicken onto the pan. I prefer to bake my chicken in the air fryer just because I feel like it's easier, faster, and more convenient. And I don't know, I feel like the oven takes a lot more time than the air fryer. I can just time the air fryer and it just gets done pretty fast. So that's okay. I do that and that's okay. So I usually bake it for the first 20 minutes, and then after it's done, I kind of like flip it over, as you guys see me doing here, and apply the rest of the sauce on top of the other side, on the opposite side. So make sure both sides are fully coated, and then put it back into the air fryer for the next probably half an hour more for it to finish up completely, and then that should be it. It is all done. Look at that. Oh my Y'all see how that looks? Oh my goodness.
Our first and last time
That looks so good. So I'm all done now, guys. I'm about to have my dinner. I had rice and peas from the day before, so I decided just to put some with the meat the chicken that I made, and with my water here. This is just me saying my little prayer before I started to eat. I usually watch movies during when I'm eating, but this time I decided to just spend the time alone to just eat and relax for this day, and that's what I've been doing. So guys, I'm done eating. I washed my dish, and now I'm about to just relax in my couch and just watch a movie, catch up on a movie from the day before, and just hang out with myself.
I just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself. Is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay. You made me feel the same way. What goes around comes around. That's what I always say.
So guys, this will be the end of the video. Thank you so much for making it to the end. I hope that you guys like the video. Comment, like, and share, and tell everyone to come subscribe to my channel today. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I can hold up, we can never go down. All the way up from here, that's what